Engine start.
Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are repairing rear left hand tire have a puncture and leak. So I already removed the puncture. So if you see, you can observe a bubbles over here, bubbles a little bit very slow leak, right? So I got a screw bolt into my tire, so just repairing because it costs 1 day or 2 days will be flat, so we need to repair. Okay, so have a jack. Just make sure you have a wheel choke, so it's part of middle, so in the middle of the tire. So we have a puncture first for wheel to make it bigger hole to make it easy to insert the puncture repair kit. So we need to make a bigger hole to insert easy the repair kit. So we have repair kit here. It's a black sticky like a sticky cord, like heaven black color. So heaven silicone or adhesive. So we can now insert the sticky repair kit. It's very hard to insert, but you need to pull in and pull out. All right, so we are done. So I did a very strong force pull and in. All right, well, air compressor. So we're using the dual piston air compressor for now, because we don't have the small ones. So we need to re-inflate first the air pressure. So we need to know if it's still leaking or not, because when we riding, we have 31 psi to 30 psi tire pressure. So we have water and liquid soap. So let's test if still have a bubble. Right, so the bubbles you see is the excess dropping water bubble, so not any leaks. So we need to cut properly the adhesive repair kit. So this way is only for survival when you're going or no chance to repair. So you just need to punch in this repair kit to go back when you're going anywhere. All right, so we cutting properly, so to prevent any leakage or movement of this puncture or repair kit. So this is very cheap product, so you can buy if you want anytime when you're going travel far away. So for this case, you can bring this kit when you're going long drive, because this is very important. Sometimes you can get 3 times flat of your tire when you're driving. So that's a thing. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.